What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Ubuntu 19.04 in VirtualBox. This is the latest and greatest version of Ubuntu at the time of making this video, and Ubuntu is basically an open source operating system. Today we're going to be installing 19.04. Again, it's the latest version, so let's get started. So, you're in VirtualBox, and I'm also going to give you guys a direct link to their official website. So let's get started. So we're going to click on New, and we're going to type in Ubuntu 19.04. If you're running anything prior to VirtualBox 6.0, it will have built-in VirtualBox Guest Edition drivers already in the operating system. If you have VirtualBox 6.0 or higher, then you can install VirtualBox Guest Editions. So click on Next, and I'm going to bump it up to 1.5 gigabytes, and then hit Next, then Create, Next, and I'm going to save it in a different location, then hit Create. Now click on Settings, Storage, click on the empty disk, and you're going to look for the Ubuntu 19.04 ISO, and then hit OK, and then hit Start. Alright, we're starting up Ubuntu 19.04 as seen here. You may see some lockups if you're doing the full installation. So I'm going to do a minimal installation for this. I'm going to say the password because you already know that Ubuntu requires you to have a password, and now with 19.04 there is no option to remove a password on the admin account. So I'm going to say the password in the video description so if you want to use it for purposes only, you can change your password later on. If you're going to install this on the virtual machine, you can use that, or if you're going to do it on an actual computer, you can use this password or just type it in yourself. Now when you get to the screen, you can either try Ubuntu or you can install a fresh copy of Ubuntu. So we're going to click on Install Ubuntu. Then hit Continue. We're going to do the minimal installation, and then if it's grayed out, that means you're not connected to the internet. Then hit Continue. You want to make sure you're set to erase disk and install Ubuntu, and then hit Install Now. Or you can do something else if you're going to do a dual boot setup, and then hit Continue. Now select your time zone. I am in the Pacific time, and I'm also in Los Angeles. And then hit Continue. Now I'm going to type in my name. I'm going to type in Ubuntu 19.04. I'm going to type in Ubuntu as the password, or simply password if you're going to type it in. Then hit Continue. And now it's going to copy files. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, so I'll be back. Alright, we're ready to restart, so we're going to click on Restart Now. And then after that, it should tell you to remove your installation disk, which should be done for you. And then we should be able to hit Enter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video when we get to that screen, so I'll be back. Alright, it's telling you to remove the installation disk, which is already done. So we're going to hit enter. And now it's going to restart the system, and then it's going to finish. It's going to boot into Ubuntu, and then after that we should be going to our login screen to type in the password, and then we should be able to get to the desktop. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pause the video, so I'll be back. Alright, we're on the logon screen, so we're going to click on the username, or in this case my username, and I'm going to type in my password or whatever you typed in, and then hit enter. And it should get you guys to the desktop. And there we go. We just successfully installed Ubuntu 19.04 in VirtualBox. If I click on Show Applications, Settings, if that's supposed to load quickly. If this comes up when you finish, just click on Skip. Just hit no and then hit next, next, and then done. So if I go to the settings, details, we should see that we just successfully installed Ubuntu 19.04 in VirtualBox. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon where I upload new videos. Also follow me on Twitter at RubenApodicio17 or Instagram at RubenTheTransitFan. So that's how to install Ubuntu 19.04 in VirtualBox. So, I'll see you next time.